Hi, my name is Linda. I am Southern Girl Interrupted. As you can tell, I do have a Southern accent. I'm originally from Mississippi, and I am currently living in Northwest Michigan, where I have been for the past almost 20 years. I moved here in 2005, but I just thought it was time to come on and put a face and a name and a voice and make my channel a little bit more personal. I am still new to this business, even though I have been sharing videos and shorts and things for the last few years. But I've never really gotten into the personal side of the YouTube channel, and I really want to do that because I appreciate you guys who are subscribing, and I would love to have more people subscribe. Again, I'm not a young girl. I'm not going to be doing makeup tutorials, and I'm not going to be doing things that would appeal to the younger crowd. I am 64 years old. I do work full-time, and I live here in northern Michigan, northwest Michigan, with my husband and my 14-year-old and two dogs. And yes, the 14-year-old is mine. My husband and I were blessed to have him back in 2010, and even though, yes, at my age, I did have a child at almost 50 years old, which I know is crazy. Here, Vader, come here. This is little Vader. This is Vader. He's a Morky Poo. He's wanting my attention right now, don't you? Yeah. But anyway, I just wanted to come on and introduce myself formally to you, tell you how much I appreciate that you are subscribing to this channel. Again, it's not going to appeal to the younger crowd. I'm not going to be doing makeup and clothes, even though I do love both of those things a lot. Mainly, I'm interested in travel. I love, we travel around northern Michigan a lot. We have a camper where we go camping as much as we can in the summer months. Where we live in the extreme northwest Pinky area of Michigan. So to explain where we live, and I don't know if I'm doing this right in the camera, if you're looking at the camera. Anyway, we live in the Pinky area, way up here in the northwest corner. If you're looking at it like this, or like this, either way, we're in the northwest corner in the Pinky area, near Lake Michigan, about 10 minutes away. So we have extreme weather conditions. Our winters are very long, very cold most of the time, even though last year was pretty mild. We have a good bit of snow. It stays cold here from pretty much late October, 1st of November through March, April. I've even had snow flurries on Mother's Day, believe it or not. So it was a big change for this Southern girl. Moved here from Mississippi again, and I've lived here now though almost 20 years. And even though it will always be different from living in the South, I do call this home, and I do love this area a lot. We have so many things to do around here. I never realized how different it was from the big cities of Michigan like Detroit. This is like a whole different world. We have Sleeping Bear Dunes here, which has been on Good Morning America's, most popular places to visit. The lakes here are gorgeous. We have tons and tons of vineyards and wineries, breweries, beaches, everything that you can think of. We have Mackinac Island to the northeast of here. We have the UP, or the Upper Peninsula of Michigan, where we go camping quite a bit. We have a camper. We go camping in the summer as much as possible. We try to squeeze in as much as we can in the summer because our summers are very short here. They're basically about 3 months, sometimes 2.5, so not super long. But we enjoy the summer as much as we can and get as much out of it as possible. My husband is great in the landscaping in our yard. It just comes to life in the summer, and it just gets beautiful in the summer, which we really love and enjoy. But if you have any ideas about what you would like to see in this area of the country, what you would like me to do, again, this is not going to appeal to the younger crowd. I'm 64 years old, and I just want to try to grow my YouTube channel, and I hope to retire in the next 3 or 4 years. And again, my son, who is 14, yes, I had him myself when I was 49 and a half years old. So I also have an older son. I have 2 grandchildren. And just trying to grow my channel. So thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. I love to follow. I'm trying to kind of base my life here on some of my favorite YouTubers like Nikki and Carlo at the Positano Diaries, Leave Everything and Wander with Luca and Sarah and Little Luce. I follow them. I'm just trying to learn the craft of making YouTube videos. So any ideas or inspiration you want to send my way, please do. And hopefully I'll be putting out more videos in the future if I can get my husband and my son to participate, which they don't like to do very often. So it may just be me most of the time, but I'll squeeze them in when I can. And hopefully as the years go by, or the months go by and they get used to more videos, maybe they will be more apt to participate. So stay tuned for more videos this year. Hopefully I'll have more coming your way. Have a very blessed and a very happy 2025. I hope this year is your best yet. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and thanks so much for watching.